Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and here on the right upper corner tap to this three dots icon, and here we'll see the block section. And as can you see, we got here the our block numbers. So go here now to the settings icon on the right upper corner and tap here to the blacklist section. And as can you see, we got here the two block numbers. If you want, you can add the block number or remove. Just tap here on this number that you want to remove. Select. If you want, we can just select these numbers together and just here tap to the remove. And now we'll just remove these numbers from our blacklist. So that's how to unblock numbers on this device, and as can you see, we got here these two unblock numbers. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.